In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reload or recover Steam Cloud saves if your game progress seems missing, out of date, or just not showing up the way you expected. Don't worry. In many cases, Steam Cloud can restore your save data automatically, as long as the feature is enabled and syncing properly. We'll go through a simple process to help refresh that connection and give Steam the best chance to pull your saved data back in. First, close the game completely and then restart Steam. This is an important first step because sometimes the Steam client or the game itself may still be holding on to an old session, which can prevent the Cloud Sync process from working correctly. Make sure the game is fully shut down, not just minimized or running in the background. After that, close Steam and open it again. Restarting the client helps reset any temporary syncing issues and gives Steam a clean chance to reconnect to its cloud services. Next, make sure Steam Cloud is actually enabled. To check this, open Steam, go to Steam in the top menu, then choose Settings, and then select Cloud. Once you're there, look for the option that says Enable Steam Cloud and make sure it's checked. If this setting is turned off, Steam won't be able to upload or download cloud saves, which means your progress may not sync between sessions or devices. Verifying this setting is especially helpful if cloud saves worked before but suddenly stopped. Once you've confirmed that Steam Cloud is enabled, launch the game again. At this point, Steam should attempt to sync your cloud saves automatically. In many cases, you'll see Steam handle this in the background as the game starts. Give it a moment, especially if the save files are large or your internet connection is slow. The sync may not always be instant, so a little patience can help here. If everything is working as expected, your cloud save should reload and your progress should reappear in the game. This method is simple, but it often solves the most common Steam Cloud Sync problems without requiring any advanced troubleshooting. That's all you need to do to reload or recover Steam Cloud saves. If you're following these steps while troubleshooting a missing save, take your time and make sure each part is completed fully before moving on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.